Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that crude is continuously on the upside, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, it is moving in an upside zone after pandemic, but as soon as hit a level of around $130, we have seen there is a continuous fall. Okay, and if you look at this particular continuous fall, what we have seen, it is moving in this zone. Okay, and now if you look at this particular zone, the price at a level of around 68.69, it is trading at this particular level. Okay, and once started falling below this level, then we can see it can move further low. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the high, and suppose this is the first high. As soon as it makes a fall, sharp fall, a swing is formed. After that, it moved towards an upside, made a new second high, and it formed a swing, moved for the third time, made a high, and formed a third, and that is where it moved for the fifth time. It tries to do it for the sixth time, but it didn't sustain because few factors affected. That is, war situation has come. Okay, and the Fed was continuously increasing the rate. Okay, as well as dollar getting strengthened. Already at a strong support. You can see looking at this particular chances of bounce back can come. Okay, so probability is high, it can move further upside, and a probability of touching 69.25 is there. And if that level sustained, it can cross a level of around 73.51, and chance of touching a level of 74.5 is there after crossing a level of $73. Okay, and once the price sustains above that level, then we can see it can cross a level of around $77, which is $77.5, which is already being a weak resistance. Okay, so chances of touching after 74.5 is 77.15. Okay, and once it sustains above this level, then we can see a probability of going further upside will be there, and probability of touching a level of 79.61 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around, after 79 we can see a level of $84.13. Okay, and once the price sustains above this level, we can see that particular level, and we can see it can touch a level of 87. Or once started sustaining of 87, then chances of crossing a level of 93 will be there, and then we can see it can touch a level of 93.56 to a level of 97. Okay, and if the price move above a level of 85.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Now understand something, that the market cannot move a sharp rise or sharp fall till the time there is no big event is coming. How it moves, otherwise it hold for some time. That is how it goes upside, and this is how it moves when it is in the normal days. But otherwise, if there is a big event, then sharp fall and sharp rise we can see. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around, if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of $67.34, which is already being a weak support. So chances of going further low will be there, and then it can cross a level of $64.24. Okay, that is level already being a weak resistance, so chances of going further low will be there, and probability that we can see it can move further down, and a probability of going below a level of 62 is there, and then we can see it can touch a level of around 57 after crossing a level of 62. That is already being a weak resistance, so chances of weak support, so chances of going further low will be there, and then we can see a level of 57.28. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see a level of 53.19 after crossing a level of 57. Keep that in mind, that these once started falling below these supports, chance of going further low will be there. Okay, you have to understand, because this is the range where the price of crude is moving for so long. So till the time it is sustaining a level of $63.81, we will not see there is a big event that the big fall can come, because it will move in this zone. As soon as it breaks this particular 63.81, then only we can see it can come in a zone of $58 to a level of 53 once it break a level of 63, because there will be a zone breakout. Okay, and this level we have not seen since November of 2021, so chance of going further low will be there. Okay, otherwise we will see it will move in this zone. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, always set your SL, okay, and keep trailing your SL so that your capital can be saved Okay, and set a limit for a particular day, for a particular week, and for the particular month, so your capital can be saved and your profit can be saved. Okay, otherwise you will lose your capital and then you will blame the market. So you have to understand, you have to save a capital, so that if a big trade comes, then you should have capital to in order to take that trade. Okay, if you want to attend my workshop where I teach how to how to trade, when to trade, and psychologies and all strategies, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe.